Hi, it's Dr. Gambhir here talking about my favorite topic, lip fillers. Lip fillers, we have a variety of different things we can use in our office. My absolute favorite is velour, particularly to plump the lips. It's something that integrates with the tissue really well, and it's very smooth, and it lasts the longest, lasts about 9 months. The company says lasts about 18 months. The other product we have is Volbella, and that's used often for the fine, thin lines on the lips and above the lip, and it's also used for like lip lining. So for people who are looking for a more subtle effect, that filler looks really good. The third filler we have is Juvederm. Juvederm has been traditionally the top filler. It's been there for a long time. It is basically hyaluronic acid based, just like the other fillers, but it's one of the older technologies, so it doesn't last as long, and it tends to be a little bit more lumpy bumpy. Although we still have a great following for it, and a lot of patients like it.